So today I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin, and the easiest way to do that is on Robinhood, the investing app, which if you don't have it already, I'll have a link for them down below so you can get some free stocks just for signing up through the platform. But then it makes it so simple and easy for you to get started to start buying into this Dogecoin. Now, before we really go through this video, make sure you understand the risks that it comes with when it comes to investing into cryptocurrency, especially something like Dogecoin. Now, what I'm going to do is have the app you can see here loaded up in real time. So once you sign up and go through that process, this is how you're going to be able to actually buy your Dogecoin. Of course, you're going to want to make sure you deposit some money into the account. During your sign up process, you will be adding a bank on file, and then you can go ahead and make sure you deposit some cash. Once you have money in your buying power, as you can see with mine, I have about 21.35 in here. The easiest thing you're going to be able to do is click the little icon in the center here. It shows like a little magnifying glass, and at the very top here, you're going to see an option to type in something, or you can see where it says crypto right over here. Now, once you clicked on crypto, it takes you to this page right over here. You can kind of swipe through the top over here, go to altcoin, or you can just slide down here. You're going to see where it says Dogecoin right over here. And if you click on here, it's going to take you to the page. Now, it kind of looks a little bit, futuristic here. And you can see at the very bottom, it says to buy. Now, keep in mind when you're buying, it is high risk. So make sure you are cautious with that. All right. So from right over here, we're currently on the market order type, which is on the top right-hand side. If you tab over here, you can go ahead and switch over to the limit order, which means that you're buying at a certain price point. But for this example here, we're just going to go with market order. Currently, it shows us that we can put in any amount we want. Normally, you can buy in with $1. Currently, with Dogecoin, there might be more higher limits. It just kind of depends on the timing with everything being so volatile. So for this example, we're just going to do $3 here. It tells you what the estimated price is for Dogecoin and the estimated amount of Dogecoin you're going to get. For this one, it shows 14 Dogecoin. From right over here, it's going to have the summary for you so you can see everything. And then you're just going to go ahead and swipe up once everything looks good. Goes ahead and sends in the order for you. Takes a few moments, and bam, just like that, we have Dogecoin here for us. And if we wanted to, we can click on the little graph on the bottom left to take us back into our main page for Robinhood. If we slide down right over here, you can see where it says cryptocurrency. It says 14 Dogecoin, where you can buy more or you can sell if you want to end up selling some of your Dogecoin. Now, again, I'll have the link for Robinhood in the show notes down below for you. That way you go ahead and get a free stock when signing up, which you can go ahead and sell a few days later for more Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrencies or anything else you would like on the platform. Now, if you want to learn more about Robinhood and all of its features, check out my video right over here to learn all about that. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.